In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly install a ladder or a railing in your swimming pool. Okay, the first one I'm going to show you is the railing, if you have a railing. So normally there's a bolt in here. We've taken them out. So that's what they look like, and there's like a wedge. So when it goes right against it, as you tighten it, it pushes right against it, so it wedges it in there. So I'm going to show you how to put this in and properly install everything. If yours is already in, you're going to have to take them out and put some grease on it. I'll link that grease down in the video description. Okay, just put some on the threads. You got to face the wedge the right way. Just like that. Just got to make sure they're facing inward towards it, not the other opposite way. And when you put them in, it's going to be the tricky part. I always lean it back a bit. And when you put them in, you got to make sure there's no movement at all. Now, you don't have to tighten it all the way down. You just snug until you can't shake it at all. Next is our ladder going into the pool. Sometimes these are a little bit trickier. The number one thing, see the boots on the bottom there? You gotta make sure those are on. A lot of people put the ladder in and they forget to put those on there, and it's gonna go right against the liner. It's gonna rip it. So that's a common area for a liner to rip, is right at the step, even with the boots on, because you might not tighten this down tight enough. Follow instructions I have here and you won't have a leak. Same thing with the railing. We're just gonna get it started. Okay, just like that, as long as it's just threaded on there, and you push that back. You're going to lean it back a bit, and then push it in. So right now it's not tight, but see how everything's all wobbly. When people get in and out of the pool, this will rub on the liner, and then that's where you have the problem on the liner. So we got to snug this up. Again, there's normally these covers on here, but they don't have them here. But make sure you have it on there. It just protects the bolts from rusting. And that's how you properly install a ladder or a railing.